Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz with my BBZ beer snapback cap. Today we're gonna go ride a jeep. We're not gonna walk today. So I have my mama's home cooked adobo with my Low Pro ever trusty Low Pro backpack. So let's go ride jeep. Jeep. Bye-bye, ma. One. Okay, we are here in Middle Quarry. We're waiting for jeep. Middle Rock Quarry, Baguio City. Baguio. Hello naman, kumusta? Agawit man yan. Okay, we're already near home. Thank you for joining me. More blessings to all of us. Stay safe for upcoming Typhoon Uwan, I'm not sure. They say it's strong. So take care everyone.